Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing James Allen's new Sculptural Waves Diamond Solitaire Engagement Ring setting. This setting is new on their site, costs right around $900, and I'm going to show you a real life example of this setting paired with a 2-carat oval lab diamond. Now, the ring you're seeing on the screen right now, total cost $3,491. Of that cost, about 900 of that was for the setting. I will post a link to this setting down in the video description because there are a couple options on their site. So I'll make sure that you know the exact setting that you're looking at in this video so there's no confusion. I'll link it down in the video description. And also note that they do sell wedding bands that fit up and match to this exact setting. So if you're going to go with this setting, you would also consider getting the wedding band that goes with it so that the shape matches up and you could have a perfectly fitting ring. But I love this setting. I wanted to show you guys this example. Like I said, $34.91, so about $3,500 is the total price. And I think this thing is gorgeous. You can see it here on the macro lens. Great attention to detail. Love the look of it, and it is really, really unique compared to all the other settings out there. I mean, you guys know there's only so many combinations and features that companies can do for ring settings, and this is one of the ones that I think is truly unique, and you will not see a lot of people with this design. And I think that's what makes it special, and what is going to be very appealing to people buying this setting is that there's not going to be a lot of other people out there that have something like this. So thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful, and best of luck on your diamond engagement ring shopping. If you have any other questions about James Allen settings, be sure to check out my YouTube channel because I have lots of videos on there of all the different settings that James Allen has to offer. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.